herbs for health and well-being. Herbs can transform your health and well-being. Let's explore their benefits. First, fennel. Fennel seeds aid digestion and reduce bloating. They are rich in antioxidants. They support hormonal balance. Chew them for fresh breath and a happy stomach. Second, lemongrass. Lemongrass is a natural detoxifier. It flushes out toxins and improves digestion. It supports healthy skin. Enjoy lemongrass tea to unwind. These herbs are nature's gift. They offer many health benefits. Incorporate them into your routine. Small steps can lead to